How to add cameras to the NVR. First, securely fasten the antenna to the back of the camera. Next, plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the camera's Ethernet connection. Ensure the other end of the Ethernet cable is securely fastened to the back of the NVR. A green light will appear on the camera's Ethernet connection once a connection has been established. Ensure the power cable is properly secured in the camera's power connection, and ensure that the other end of the power connection is firmly secured to a wall plug or to a surge protector. As you can see here, the camera's antenna is firmly attached and both connections are occupied. And now that the camera is attached, we'll need to access the NVR's menus. At the NVR itself, right-click on the mouse to bring up the quick menu and select Video Manage. Since the camera is already connected to the NVR via Ethernet cable, it will already appear in the Video Manage menu. To add this camera to the NVR, select Match Code. Once you select the Match Code option, another screen will appear. This screen will run through the process of adding the camera to your NVR. Once you see the camera's information populated in the menu to the right, you can exit the Match Code screen. The Match Code screen will continuously run looking for additional cameras until you exit the menu. Repeat this process to add any additional cameras you may have. Once the NVR has been associated with the camera, you no longer need to keep the Ethernet cable attached to the camera.